two trains, one track, and a moment that changed dozens of lives forever. What really caused this tragic train collision? In the last few days, a serious train accident occurred when two trains collided on the same railway line. According to early reports, the incident happened during the late hours, when visibility and reaction time were extremely limited. The impact was catastrophic, creating a scene of devastation that would take days to fully process. Immediately, emergency services were rushed to the scene. Rescue teams worked tirelessly through the night, navigating the wreckage to help trapped passengers. Nearby hospitals were placed on high alert, preparing to receive the injured, too, in the following hours. Authorities confirmed the heartbreaking news that many people had lost their lives, and dozens more were being treated for serious injuries. The scale of the tragedy was immense. So, how could something like this possibly happen? Initial investigations suggest the collision may have been caused by a combination of factors. This could include signal miscommunication, a critical human error, or a technical failure within the railway's complex operating system. At this stage, officials are carefully reviewing data from control rooms and the trains onboard systems to piece together the exact sequence of events that led to the disaster. To understand the severity, it's important to know how modern railways are supposed to work. They rely on sophisticated signaling systems, centralized control centers, and strict safety protocols to keep trains safely apart. When even one of these layers fails, the consequences can be devastating. Experts are saying this tragedy highlights just how crucial constant maintenance, rigorous training for staff, and real-time monitoring are for public safety. In response, government and railway authorities have ordered a full high-level inquiry to determine the root cause and ensure accountability. All operations on the affected route were temporarily suspended to allow for the investigation and necessary repairs. The authorities have also promised to provide support and compensation to the families of the victims who are now grappling with an unimaginable loss. This accident serves as a stark reminder that transportation safety is not just about advanced machines and technology. It's about the seamless coordination between people and systems, a deep sense of responsibility from everyone involved, and a constant state of preparedness for the unexpected. It's a complex chain where every link must be strong. Could this tragedy have been prevented with better systems and planning? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.